Recording now. Is it even a makeup channel if I don't know what the hell I'm doing? I'm a shit show right now. This is not a guru channel. If you're looking for that, I suggest you, I don't know, swipe left. Get the fuck off. I have the Ipsy bag. I have Huda Beauty lipstick. Helios Beauty eyeshadow. Born Lovely. Created by... It's SJP! The original Sex and the City girl. What? Look at me, gonna be sexy. Catherine. Natural is Cosmetics. Is this an eyeliner? Oh! It is an eyeliner. I usually only use black eyeliner because I'm black. Bonnie Dumanizer. First, my face is fresh and so clean. So I found this on Amazon because baby's got pores. Oh, rub it in, cover the pores. I have a Born This Way foundation. I found this on, I think I was on Jackie Ina's channel, and it is the color Cocoa. Now, I'm in New York, and in the summer, one color matches me. In the winter, a different color matches me. I'm going to use a viewfinder, so if I look like a creepster, is because I am. Hello. Hi. Yes, I think so. I got this set of brushes on Amazon. I think it was like a Black Friday deal. I couldn't tell you what, where, why, what for. I only fly in first. If only that were true. No. Bitches, I fly economy, thank you very much. Opening the box. Jesus, they packed this shit in, man. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a weird purple thing. Is this what you do in first class? Y'all just in purple? Which first class are you in? You know what? It matches my glass of wine. Put concealer. Let's conceal. So I just got an LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm pretty sure I picked this up at Walmart. I put foundation on. I'm going to put it right here. Oh, Lord. Oh, no. Look at that. I am such a shit show. I don't think this is what you're supposed to do with this shit. Oh, no. I'm going to blend it out because it looks crazy. Oh, oh, Lord. Oh, boy. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do. I mean, I know, kind of. I'm going to dip into here. Oh, I guess I'm not regifting this shit, because now you can tell I did it. Oh boy, I'm just gonna... Okay. I mean, you can see something, but it looks crazy. This one looks fluffy, right? I don't know. It doesn't say shit. It looks fluffier. Let's see how this applies. Ooh, this one feels a lot better anyway. The other one I felt like I was like stabbing my eye. Let's go. I like this one. Thanks. Oh, I done. Oh, you know, this is why you shouldn't get shit for $20. Look at this shit. What the fuck? What? I know you can see this shit. What the fuck is this? Maybe I won't put this in the description below. What the fuck is this? I didn't even know that shit could happen. Oh hell. I just... What the fuck just happened? Dude, look at this. I feel like I'm shit. It looks brighter, I will say. I do like this color, and I probably will try it again. I usually try and stay away from colors because I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm not mad at it. You know, it's a light. Okay. I like it. I'm not mad at it actually. I could roll with it. Oh my god, that thing just put like eating it, spitting it out, everything. Lord. Okay, I think this is sufficiently done. Holy moly. Royal Plum, Catherine. I'm assuming they match the... Oh shit, what the fuck did I do? Look at it. Look at it. It's all jagged and shit. Alright, I can't see this shit. What the fuck? Ugh. I don't know what's happening. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Alright, let's see. I can't see anything. What? It looks like the same damn color as the eyeshadow. Can you see it? I don't know. I don't know about this. I think it's the same damn color as the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna finish putting on concealer because obviously this is a shit show. See, I look cray. Alright, let's brush this out, shall we? Yes, it does. Thank you, honey. I have e.l.f. I don't know if this is actually setting powder. I forget. I just kind of got a powder. And, yeah. Just gonna set this shit. I'll be right back. Chills. Yeah? Not putting eyelashes on. Screw you. I'm putting on mascara. No eyelashes. And I have a Perversion. I don't know where I got this. I think I kleptoed it from someone. It's not my bad. They shouldn't have left it with me. So, if this is expensive, I have no clue. Alright. And then you do some on the bottom. I don't even know. You know, sometimes I don't even think there's shit on it. I don't know what it's called. Eyebrow shit. On to the lipstick. I think this is the only thing I'm kind of excited for. Do I need chapstick? I don't know. Are you supposed... Maybe you're supposed to use chapstick. Look how glittery this is. Yeah? It's like so glittery. It's so pretty. Which is cool, but now I'm like, my lips are so... You know, life in New York, this shit is dry as a motherfucker. Like chapsticking the fuck out of it. Alright, I'm gonna put on some chapstick. Just in case. Alright, put on some chapstick. Yeah. Alright, let's try this beauty. I mean, you're probably not supposed to put on chapstick, but let me know. If you find this video and you are like, you're not supposed to put on chapstick before lipstick, please tell a chick. Alright. Whoa. Whoa, dude. I mean, it feels good, but I don't know about all this pink. I do have a lip liner. I'm going to put it on after. Maybe that's okay. I don't fucking know. I didn't realize how pink it was. Like, you look at it and you're like, ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty. And then all of a sudden you put it on and you're like, what the fuck? Although, I don't wear pink. And take me out to dinner. SJP. Born Lovely. Let's do some SJP. Born Lovely. Ooh, I thought this was black for a second. Oh my god. It's like a smoky gray case. Oh, I see you. I see you, SJP. Alright. Oh. Oh. Well, what the fuck? Oh. You gotta... Oh, it's a roll-on. Look at that. Look at that. Is it gonna focus? Oh my god, it's a roll-on. Yeah, you know, it smells like a white chick. Oh, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. It is lovely. I watch Sex and the City. I support SJP. But you know, this is called Doomanizer. If I look like a demon after this, I'm gonna be really pissed off. So I see them go like this, but it's usually a powder. It's not usually like these. So what are you supposed to do? You know the thing that pisses me off about makeup? Come with instructions, you mofo. Not everyone knows how to use you. Alright, I'm just gonna put, oh! Okay. I'll put, oh Lord. Okay. And they usually put like a little bit up here, a little bit up here. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm using this one. It look like a D's. That's what it look like. Yeah? Yeah? It's flat. And I'm just gonna and blend it up. Oh, what the, oh no. Oh no. That brush ain't doing shit. Let's just use a finger and blend that mofo out. Oh my god. That was ridiculous. Oh, I missed a spot. Okay. I think I missed a spot. Do you see it? Do I look dewy? I smell like SJP, apparently. I smell like I was born lovely. This bottle is so tiny. Like, really? So fucking tiny. I could swallow this and not even be... Alright, let's try this again. Oh, shit. I feel like I'm gonna try, but I could just keep going. Oh, no. This is not what you're supposed to do. I know this. Why did I do this? Because... Oh! What the fuck? Well, yeah, you can see it now. Don't worry, I'm not going outside. There is no way I would leave my house looking like, well, ooh. I mean, I don't know if I look dewy. I look shiny. I don't need a dew-manizer when I got oil, natural. This face turns oily like a mofo. I really don't need to look extra dewy. Trust me, I look extra oily. Well, that's the end of my review. Thank you for watching the shit show. I don't blame you for not coming back, honestly. I'm surprised that you even made it this far. But cheers. See you on the other side.